Guys, the new Madrone just dropped and it came out of the box razor sharp, just like you'd expect from Work Sharp. But we build our knives to be used. We want you out there cutting, using them, and eventually that edge is gonna need to be resharpened. You can do what the other guys do and maybe send your tool off to have it maintained by someone else, or you can do the right thing and sharpen your own knife. And I'm gonna show you how to do that on the Madrone right now. Before we start sharpening the Madrone, let's understand how the Madrone was built so we know what the best tool is to get an edge on it. The Madrone uses M390 steel. It's a great steel, considered one of your super steels out there, which means it's gonna have great edge retention. It also makes it a little bit more difficult to sharpen. So we're gonna wanna use something that can get in there and remove some material like a diamond stone. I'm gonna be using our Professional Precision Adjust with the new V2 clamp on it for this video, but you can use any sharpener, and I'm gonna show you a few tricks along the way that you can use to have success. We sharpen the Madrone at 20 degrees per side. So I'm gonna set my angle at 20 degrees with the Professional Precision Adjust. As you can see, it's really easy to dial in to the exact angle I need, but if you're using a different sharpener, I've got a trick for you. We're gonna use the Sharpie trick. What we're gonna do is just go in and color in along the entire bevel of the knife, and then we're gonna make a couple passes and see where the marker is actually removed from that bevel. Adjust up or down until you're hitting evenly across the entire bevel. You should be good to go. No matter what condition your knife was in when you started the job, the important thing to remember is you need to raise a burr in order to reach that apex. As you go in and start removing material, you will start to create a burr along the edge of your knife. Make sure that burr runs from heel to tip in order to make sure you're creating a new apex. No burr, no sharp. After you've gone through all the abrasives and refined that edge, you should be left with an edge that's as sharp, if not sharper than factory. Now your job is to maintain that edge. It's important to do things like honing and stropping to keep from having to sharpen as often. So go in and every once in a while, maintain that edge, at least once a week. Your knife's edge will last a lot longer and your knife will perform a lot better. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for how to sharpen the Madrone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do us a favor, hit that like, subscribe. It helps us out and get this information out to more people. If I left something out, drop a comment down below. I'll get in there and answer it for you. And if you're looking for a little bit more on how to sharpen, we've got a plethora of content. I'm sure there's something linked around me somewhere on the screen here. Click on that. We'll dive into how to form burrs, how to strop, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.